Hello there. Thanks for coming by once again. This is Christian Taylor at Christian Taylor 4027. And right now I'm doing a Brownish Sound video. Did one yesterday. Didn't have the mic close enough to the amp. Could have come out a little better, so we're going to try and remedy that today and show you what I got going on here for effects. Got my compressor pedal. See that's tone all the way up, volume all the way up, compressor set about 11. Got an analog delay here, doing a little slapback echo kind of thing. So the repeats are almost off, the mix is turned up a bit, and see that the time knob is about 11 o'clock also. An overdrive pedal going here. See that the distortion is turned about 3/4 of the way up, the drive, the volume's about 9 o'clock. The tone is just a little before noon, and here's a Marshall in a Box by Kim Say called a Hot Plexi. Got the distortion all the way up, the volume's up just a little bit, and the tone is about 11 o'clock just as the other one is. And at some point I'm going to turn on the multi-effector here with its phase shifter setting and get that going. Come on over here. Hold on. Okay, don't fall. Okay, very good. And it sounds like this here. Here we go. See if this sounds somewhat brown. Hopefully it's brownish. Actually, of course it's not the brown sound, but it's going to be kind of brownish. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Slightly brown sound.